So good morning everyone. So almusal muna tayo na daily board exam review. So on the way, I'm Engineer John Lloyd Santos. So yung topic natin ay trigonometry. So kinuha ko yung problem from RTE May 2010. Lumabas na siya September 2017. So yung problem is what is the value of x if log base x 1296 is equal to 4. Okay, so I will give you a two solution. So first solution natin dito is using the alternative solution. So yung alternative solution, ito yung solution na i-solve tayo ng mahaba. No? So himayin natin yung principles behind kung paano ito sunod using the calculator. No? The other solution is using our calculators yung shape solve function. Okay? So, to solve this problem, so hindi siya basta lang na algebra na mag-divide ka ng log, kung makakancel yung log. So, kailangan ma-convert natin itong logarithmic function into exponential function para masulat siya using algebra. Okay, so again, yung rules natin, yung laws of logarithmic. So, let's say you have x is equal to log x, log base x, log base y. So ito, pwede natin ma-translate into exponential function. So this will become to y is equal to b raised to x. So yung problem is, so translate lang naman natin to, one by one. So again, kung baliktad lang naman yan, walang problema. Kasi ito yung algebra, pwede naman natin palipat-lipatin yan. So let's say, unahin lang natin to si log. So let's say, log, ito yung x, base niya is x, 1296 is equal to 4. So as you can see dito sa problem natin, yung log, ito yun, yung base. Identify mo yung x is yung ating base, yung 1296 is yung ating y, while yung ating 4 is yung ating x. Once na-identify natin yung parameters nito y is equal to bx, pwede na natin ito convert. So, yung ating y is 1296 equals, yung base natin dito is yung hinahanap is x, and then yung ating exponent is yun yung equals to 4, yung x. To solve this problem, you need to get the fourth root. X lang naman hinahanap natin. Ewan ko ba bakit laging hinahanap si x, no? Okay, so therefore, x is equal to, yung calculator ko. So, fourth root. Fourth root ng 1296. So, therefore, the answer is 6. Letter C. So, punta naman tayo dun sa solution 2. Solution 2 is yung ating pinakamadali, sa pang-board exam type siya. So, you use the calculator. Calculator technique. Okay, so using natin calculator technique, talagang ito yung pinaka-ginamit ko nung nagbo-board exam. Kasi, bisado mo naman yung principle. So, simple-flat lang natin siya. So, log base x. So, alpha x. Okay. 1296. Alpha equals mo lang yung 4. Labas na kaagad. So, dito kasi sa calculator ko isumal mo sa sagot. Pero, ang gamit nyo is yung mga kasyo. So, you need to use the shape solve function. So, sabihin, ipaplat mo lang yung equation na log x 1296 equals 4. Then, shape solve. Kasi tinawag na shape solve. Shape. So, therefore, lalabas yung sagot dyan. X is equal to 6. So, sa board exam, kayang daanin ng ating calculator. Pero mas maganda na matutunan natin yung basic principle kasi ito yung magpapasa sa atin. Huwag kayo sa makalimutan yung calculator techniques. Okay, thank you.